This is the Landor Phototex self-adhesive, removable and repositionable fabric that is sitting in our boardroom at our operations centre in Bolton, near Manchester, United Kingdom. What makes this particularly interesting for all of us is to know that the reusability and the sustainability of Phototex has surpassed any expectations that any of us could have expected. This particular one was at the 100% Design exhibition in Olympia in 2011. Alongside with it was the second one, as you can see. We always use the boardroom for testing. This one has been tested alongside another one for the last 6 months, and it is still standing still, having been brought down from another customer's wall. This one here is from the exhibition FESPA 2012. This was the Olympics year, where Phototex was used extensively during the Olympics in order to install quickly with ease and simplicity, easy to pull down, and immediately replace with extra graphics for the disabled Olympics shortly afterwards. As you can see in this boardroom, Phototex plays a prominent role, but in order for it to do that, what we actually had to do was simply roll the Phototex onto itself, put it in the car, bring it up to Bolton, leave it a few weeks, unroll it and put it up. What makes this event even more special for us is that we painted this boardroom a couple of weeks ago, and just recently, within 2 days after the painting, rather than let it wait and cure and dry, we thought we would put the old Phototex of 11 years to the test. And as you can see, it's still standing, and it's happy to stand again. So basically, Phototex adhesive, not only is it stable 100% from the day it's born, it doesn't currently have a life where it will no longer prove to exist as a sustainable and a durable product.